Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing this New Year's Eve look, and can I just like not mess up an intro for once? So I decided to do some graphic glitter eyeliner. It's hard to get words out. And yeah, thought it was very festive in New Year's Eve. If you guys already aren't a subscriber, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I post once a week. If you are not already following me on social media, I will put my social media right here for you. All right, and let's get started. It's a Joge. It's a Joge. I don't know if this is the makeup I'm gonna wear because my dress is a little much. I'm not trying to be like, the dress and makeup's a little much. You kind of want like one or the other. So this is definitely an eye look you wanna do before your foundation because of the glitter and the black. It's just, you gotta do it before. Also, yes, my Christmas decorations are still up on this channel. We don't take them down till the new year, so we're still enjoying them. Okay, so to start off, I did already prime my lids with my Milani eyeshadow primer, and then I set that right after for a smooth base. First thing we're going to be going in with is our Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. I'm just going to be taking the black shadow, which is Black Truffle. So you don't need to use this palette. You can just use a black eyeshadow. Just try to use like a high quality one because we have to blend the black out by itself. So that's kind of hard to do. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you it's easy. It's very time consuming. So I am going in with my e.l.f. Dome brush, and this was like $3, but it's one of my favorites because it's like very dense, but like not so dense that it's impossible to blend. So I use literally just this brush to blend out that black. When you start out this black, you wanna make sure you start off really lightly and then kind of build it up like right in here. And then once that's built up, you start blending it out. And this is very, 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 very time consuming. There are gonna be moments during this process that you're gonna ask if it's worth it, and it is. So right now I'm just gonna pack in, oh, it's a silver. Hi. Hello, silver. So we're just going to pack it into our crease, and yeah. Okay, now that that color is really packed in, you're going to wipe off your brush and just slowly start blending this up towards your brow. And this is the most time-consuming part, I would say, because you don't see results immediately, but you kind of just keep going and it just blends. Okay, once it's about semi-blended but not all the way, you're gonna go ahead and take your face powder, and I'm using my Too Faced Peach Perfect face powder, and just make sure it's translucent, and you're going to help blend out the black by using this, and this is really gonna help blend it into your skin. And then I'm gonna go back into that black color and pack a little bit more in the crease because I feel like we lost a little bit of opacity. It's gonna look like a mess, but it'll look better once we clean it up. Taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm in the shade Light Medium Honey. I didn't even know she was back there. When I touch her, she's gonna meow. I just love you. Why are you so cute? Why are you so cute? Okay, and taking a very tiny detail, I don't even know what I'm trying. Tiny detail brush. I'm just going to pick up some of the concealer off the wand and place that on my eye and look up. And then go ahead and cut your crease. Go ahead and set with any skin tone or whitish eyeshadow. I'm going to be using more of a white eyeshadow from just some random palette. Now we're gonna go into with the glitter, and you're just gonna be placing the glitter right where you cut your crease, so right on this line. And I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Glitter Glue and my NYX Silver Glitter. And I just squirted a little bit of that Too Faced Glitter Glue on the cap, and I'm taking my Anastasia number 12 brush. It's just like a really, really thin pointed brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and draw that line on with the glitter glue and then go right in with the glitter and pack it on. I also forgot to mention that you are going to take it down so it'll make sure it'll connect. I can't explain things. Make sure you... So on this side, I kind of like, you want to make it into a point. So you don't want to like fling it out, you want to bring it down. Now taking my Ofra Fix Line Eyeliner Gel in black, I'm just going to do a winged eyeliner with the same brush. Make sure you make the line pretty thin because we're going to be going over it with glitter. And it doesn't need to be perfect because we're going to go over it again. But I am going to go ahead and set it with my face powder because this eyeliner is pretty wet and it takes too long to dry and I'm impatient. Okay, now you're going to basically do the same thing that you did over here, but you're going to do it on top of this eyeliner. So taking the glitter glue again and just tracing on top of the black line. Go ahead and go over the eyeliner again. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my face off camera. I will link my foundation routine down below if you guys wanna see it, and I will be right back. So I still have glitter all over my face. We're doing great. We're doing good, kids. Now for the bottom lash line. You're gonna go in with any black eyeliner that you prefer. I'm using my Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil, and you're just gonna go ahead and line your waterline pretty heavily because we're gonna blend this out. Okay, then you're gonna go into Black Truffle from that palette again and just start smoking this out. I'm just gonna take a blending brush and kind of smoke it out even more. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes and mascara off camera, and the lashes I'm using are, don't know. Okay, the lashes I'm using are the Kiss Lashes. This is lashes in Brazier, and I will be, right back. All right, lashes are done. Now we're going to move on to lips. I'm going to be taking two different lip colors. I'm taking my Physicians Formula Healthy Lip in All Natural Nude and my Ulta Matte Lip Cream in Bestie. So first I'm gonna go in with the Physicians Formula one. And then just taking a little bit of that Bestie color and dotting it over and then blending the two together. I'm not gonna do any blush just because I don't want to. I am gonna go in with highlight though. And I'm gonna be going in with Becca's Champagne Pop, and I'm going to be spritzing my brush with a little bit of setting spray. I already have glitter all over my face, so shining like a disco ball. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this highlighter in the inner corners as well. Alright love, and that is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it a lot. If you guys tried this out, please tag me. I love when you guys tag me when you recreate my looks. It literally makes me just like over the moon happy. I can't even describe what kind of feeling it gives to me. So yes, please tag me if you guys recreate this at all. And I hope you guys have a very safe and happy New Year's, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye loves.